Good morning students. Today we learn moral science class for 7th class students. Chapter 3. Chapter 3. The name of the chapter is honesty. The name of the chapter is honesty. You already know what is the meaning of honesty. Means to be sincere, don't tell lie. To be sincere and don't tell lie. That is the meaning of the honesty. Now we see from the textbook the honesty, the definition, the meaning, what is the intending, the what we want to learn to be honesty, then how we maintain the honesty. So from this chapter we can learn the meaning of the honesty and a person how we should be gaining the honesty. See, the honesty means to be trustful for a person in all the aspect of life. Trustful means the person, maybe our parents, our teachers, our friends, everybody should be trust to us. That we call the honesty. Then it involves not to tell lie to anybody, never hurt anyone through bad habits, activities or behavior. So the person, those are honesty, will not tell lie and he will not hurt anyone or give pain to anyone. Or his habits or activities, whatever he do, it will not give or harm anyone. That is the honesty. Honesty person never gets involved with activities that are morally wrong. The person who is honesty, they will not be get into the activities of morally wrong means maybe for example we see in the society cheating or thieves, robbery or what will say. Some people are cheating the girls and cheating the boys. So these are the morally wrong. Honesty is not to break any rule or regulation. Be discipline, behaving well, speaking the truth, being punctual and helping others honestly. Honesty is not a rule or regulation. It is depend on the person. How he should be disciplined, behaving well, speaking truth and be punctual to the class or what the teachers will tell, writing, reading, studying, everything, be punctual to everyone. And helping others also, his friends, her friends, to write or to read, to help to do the homework. These are the honesty. Being honest helps a person to get rest of all the surrounding of lot of happiness and many more things. Being honest is really very beneficial in our real life. So being a honesty person, it is so beneficial means we will gain more things by being the honesty person. Beneficial means we get many good opportunities or many good aspects of in our life. So it is not something one can buy or sell. So this honesty we cannot buy or can sell. We cannot go to shop and buy the honesty or we cannot sell this much money. No, this is in the inner heart of a person. Means for example your students, no? It is the inner heart of a student. Okay, so it is good habit which can be acquired through practice only. Hence it is important as children start practicing honesty from childhood. So it is from person. For example, from beginning, now you are a student and now you are maybe at 13, 12 years old. From itself now you start to keep this honesty. When you become the big, all will believe in you, all will trust you. Then when you get the good works and jobs, they will give you more responsibility also by trusting or by honoring your capacities or by honesty. Honesty is the component of moral character which develops good attitude including truthfulness, kindness, discipline, integrity, etc. It involves the absence of lying, cheating others. So I already told you, the good honesty will give us all the good qualities, not the bad qualities. Honesty leads a person towards the auspicious path which gives real happiness and joy. So this honesty will give every time happy and joy to the person. Not a what will tell sad or some kinds of guilty feelings. No, this honesty every time will keep us happy and joy. Honesty is considered as the best policy of life, however it is so easy to have or develop. So this honesty we can develop easily, but it is difficult to practice it. For example, here they are giving you a story of a student to be, and she said, for example, she will speller means those who spellings, those who spell a word perfectly and neatly, clearly. She is so good in spelling, or speller means telling the any difficult word smoothly and easily. That is we call the speller. She is also some kind of what will tell, I can do everything, I will pronounce everything perfectly, rightly, everything. But she was lacking the honesty. You can read this story and understand. But she was lacking the honesty. So the teacher will test her honesty by giving small exercises, a pronunciation. So here we can see the Shruti's honesty, but she can study, she was able to spell and she was good talent, everything, but she lose the honesty. Understand? So as students, whatever we do, be sincere and honest to your teachers. That will make you the good in the society and in the class, in the hearts and the minds of the teachers. For example, here is page number 15. Dear children, since the above story teach you the importance of honesty, let us now look at a few points that show why it is important to be honest. This story I already summarized about that story. So this story, if you how you can you have seen what is the importance of the honesty. So honesty portrays courage. Honesty will give us the courage. Honesty shows you care, means you care for your parents, your brothers, sisters, your friends. So that will show. Honesty creates a circle of love. This honesty will create circle of love, not the enemies to us. Honesty shows maturity and self-acceptance. This honesty will give a maturity, not like a small kid's character. We give maturity and we accept ourselves. Maybe I may be dark, I may be short, but it will give us to accept myself. Honesty portrays a connection with our friends, connection with the good people, connection with our relatives, friends, everyone. Honesty cannot keep you out of trouble. So this honesty will not give you any time out trouble in your life. So honesty is a good habit which gives everyone a happy and peaceful mind. This honesty never let a relationship to grow and create lot of problems. It is a quality which can be developed anytime. However, practice one should do it from the early childhood with the help of parents, grandparents, teachers and neighbors. So from these onwards, you should create this honesty in your mind and heart, in actions and deeds. So to develop this honesty, your parents, your teachers, your grandparents, your friends, everybody will help you. It is very important to be honest in all the aspects, as it contributes positively a lot thought to the life. So it will give many thoughts in our life, good thoughts, how we want to develop our character in a good manner. So this is the story of the honesty. A short story I explained shortly. You can read and you can understand. This is the main importance of the honesty. So dear students, by this moral science means not just reading and learning, but it's from this we should learn many things from the moral science classes. How we want to behave, how I want to be a student, how I want to study, how I want to keep neatly my books, then how I want to be sincere to my teachers when they tell me to write, read, when they conduct the studies in the class, then how I want to be with my friends. So these all will teach us from these classes. So try to learn and build up. See the many great personalities, everybody grown up by teaching the teachers these moral values and moral science. Okay, so try to learn good from these classes and try to build up the honesty in your life. All the best.